it was very good, and it helped them to understand about their own interest. That my daughter, what she was like to be.
Whatever problem I had with choosing different streams, he was patient enough to let me know what streams I can have for each separate exam. I had each separate assessment. He elaborated on whatever streams that was good for me, and then I shortlisted them.
प्रोग्राम अच्छा था। मुझे मतलब आइडिया मिल गया एक कि मुझे बड़े होके क्या करियर ऑप्शंस लेने चाहिए या क्या करियर परस्यू करना चाहिए।
Aryaman went through this entire process, and after the counseling, I found it very helpful in terms of, I mean, the questionnaire, the initial PPT which was shown, then the counselor who actually interacted with Aryaman. All were relevant, very relevant with the current scenario, current condition, current career opportunity of kids. So all were relevant.
मेरे बच्चों का भी ध्यान ITC अभी से देखने लगी है, ध्यान आकर्षित करने लगी है कि हाँ कैसे बेटर कैरियर हो सकता है मेरे एम्प्लॉय के बच्चों।
It's absolutely different from other organizations. I mean, it is something which make an employee privileged. And also at the same time, it is not about the employee, but the family of the employee, maybe the kid, maybe the son or the daughter. So this actually, I mean, connects with the employee, and it's a very good initiative taken by ITC Foods.
सबसे बड़ी बात है कि कंपनी इतना सोच रही है अपने एम्प्लॉय के लिए और उनके किड्स के लिए कि ये फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट अरेंज कर रहे हैं, और इवन एम्प्लॉय के लिए भी सोचते हुए भी सोचने के बाद वो उनके किड्स के बारे में भी सोच रही है कि उनका भी करियर अच्छा हो, एम्प्लॉय का तो हो ही। तो थैंक्स लॉट टू ITC फूड्स।
थैंक यू बोलूँगा मैं आपका ये जो ITC की तरफ से एम्प्लॉय के बच्चों के लिए चल रहा है, तो अदर कंपनियां नहीं करती हैं ऐसा जो ITC कर रही है।
I think they are assessing the child's interest, they are suggesting few options. I think that is very useful because otherwise we are only stuck with one or two and then we are thinking that's the end of it.
As a parent, we will not have much thinking about what our kids should be. Now you have given us an idea as to what and all they can go into, basically, other than the regular medical engineering and all that stuff. We really can think about the other wide career options which we would like to take care when the time is correct.
क्योंकि बच्चे इनको समझ में नहीं आता है, हम लोगों को भी इतना बहुत ज्यादा टाइम नहीं मिलता है, जिनके साथ टाइम स्पेंड नहीं कर पाते हैं, जिनकी हर एक लाइक्स और डिसलाइक्स पता हो या पता कर सके हम लोग, तो इट्स डिफिकल्ट। तो ये जो चीज हुई है, ये जो प्रोग्राम हुआ है, ये हमें काफी हेल्प करेगा।